Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Frosty from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Navada branch. Students, today I am going to discuss the second lesson of the first chapter of class 9. That is our student self-management. In the last class, we have discussed introduction of the self-management. How to do the self-management in yourself, how to manage it by yourself. That means self-confidence, ability, then students' confidence, then our strength. These are all must be the positive. Your feelings, they are all the must be positive. Okay, students, if you have done this type of the things in your body, if in your mind, then you should be a good self-management person. So students, today we will discuss what are the positive. If you are a good self-management person, if you are a good self-management person, then what are the positive in your future of yourself? Okay students, so today discuss positive outcomes of the self-management. If you have the self-management, then what type of the positive will be happen? Okay students, so I have already told you, if you are good feelings, if you are always be positive, if you are a good confidence, if you are a good person, if you are good behave towards the others, then you should be a good self-management. No doubt, no one can say he is a bad person or she is a bad person. Yes or no? That means that type of things we will discuss what are the positive. Students, by the first positive, if you have the self-management, then decision making capacity. Okay students, that means of individual, that means self-management means individual, particular one person. If that person is a good person, if that person has capability, a good self-management, then that person can take a decision what is right and wrong. Because in your future, so many decisions will be handled by yourself. Now you are reading in class 9, after that class 10, after that you think which stream I will read. We will read. Because after 10, so many lines are coming. Just like the science, arts, commerce, integrated MBA, integrated MCA, integrated diploma. This type of the education will be coming in your future. Then you take the decision. If you will take the good decision, that decision will be positive in your future. Okay students, your father is managing all the family members. That means he is always thinking how to handle this type of situation. He is always taking a decision. In which line my son will be sent? In which background I will send my son to which background? Our elder brother or sister, our mother, our teacher. Then why do not think by yourself? Okay students, if you are a self-management, so no doubt you can always take a good decision. You have a decision capacity. Other person also telling you that person is a good person, he must be taking a good decision. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Mr. Narendra Modi. Now he is taking so many types of decisions. He is declared the some of the our yojana. Yes or no student? For the peoples. That means that is a type of the decision. He is a good person and we all are believing on that person. That's why we are following that person. Yes or no students? So that's why that person has a good self-management. That's why he has a capability to take a decision. Okay, student. Then second one, student, increase the chance of success. If you are a good self-management, then no doubt you must be a success in your life, in your future. You are reading class 9. If you are scoring good, then class 10 also will score the good. And in this way, after getting the good score, good behavior, so no doubt you must be a success person. When you are success person, when you are a good self-management. That means when you are ability in yourself, if you are efficiency, yes or no student, if you are laborious, then no doubt that type of the people must be success. So for this success, this type of factors we need. Believe yourself, behave yourself, then ability yourself, efficiency yourself, hand level yourself. These type of factors in your body, in your mind, then you must be a success person. Okay, students, that is also for the positive. That is also for the good self-management must be a success person, no doubt. Then third one, student, improve focus. Our focus. That means you can easily think about the future. What will I do in my future? Now you can think that way. If you focus on your future, then presently you can run smoothly. If after 2 months I will give the exam, if to now onwards if you will read, then after 2 months you must be a good scorer. Yes or no, students? That means that is our focus. And after 2 months I will give the exam. So now I am going to prepare my exam. Before 1 year, before 2 years, be prepared for your exam. Yes or no? That is our focus. That is our, and what type of person can be focused? When the person has a good self-management. Okay, students, that is our focus. The next one is your students, promote congruence. That means thoughtfully align with our behavior. That means here I have written thought and behavior. Both are the similarities. What you are thinking, and according to thinking, if you are doing the behavior, if you are positive thinking, your behavior must be positive. That is a congruence. If you are thinking negative, your behavior must be negative towards the others. Suppose I am thinking, I will not do, I can't do. So that is my thinking, that is our negative. If I think this type of things, then what? In the future, I can never do any type of work. Yes or no, student? That's why that is our congruence. That is a positive for the self-management. Those persons are the self-management, thought and behavior always be positive. Yes or no? What? When you are self-management, when you are good feeling, when you are good thinking, that must be a good behavior also. So no doubt. Okay, student, for the positive outcome of self-management, for the positive self-management, it has also feelings and behavior. Both are also positive. Okay, students. Next one is the students, improve our performance in all spheres. Improve our performance. In our performance, if you see your performance by yourself, if you are improving, then no doubt you must be a success person. That means improve our performance in all spheres. In all spheres means education background, your professional background. Students, in our life, two type of backgrounds will be there. One is your personal life, one is your professional life. Personal life means what we consume our time with or where we spend the time with our parents, fathers, mothers, brother, sister, relatives. That is our personal. And professional, what you do the work. Suppose you are reading, that is a professional now. Now I am the teacher, that is my profession. That means, if I have the good self-management, if I have the good self-management, then what happened? I must be improved in myself and good performance in myself. All this here means both professional and our personal. My father, mother, elder brother, they are all liking me, and in professional case also, our director sir, principal sir, our colleagues, our students, they are also liking me. Yes or no? That means self-management. If you have the self-management, this is also our one of the positive. So remember, this point is a very important point. We always in your life, two lines will be there. So don't be add our professional with personal. Your personal with professional. Personal is different, professional is different. So don't be add professional with the personal. If you will add, then you face the problem. So don't do this type of thing. Okay, student? Always be positive. And the last one is student, help in controlling impulsive behavior. That means thought and feeling. Students, same thing. Thoughts and feeling. Here also I have discussed thoughts and behavior, congruence, and controlling impulsive behavior. Students, sometimes we are taking certain decision, and which is bad effect to the others. Yes or no, student? So, if you have the good self-management person, then you are not taking a certain decision. First of all, you will think. That's why here I have written. First of all, for a good self-management person, that person will think first, then they will feel it. They will feel first. After think, then feel, then discuss. That is our what? Impulsive behavior. Impulsive behavior means thought and feeling both. If you are thinking good, then your feeling also must be good. Not be hesitated in yourself. Students, you mark. Some of the day you are not feeling good. Why? Because your thinking is not good. If your thinking is not good, then what will happen? Your feeling never be good. Okay, student? When you are thinking, I am not able to score the above 80%. That is our what? Thinking. If you are thinking this type of thing, and that thinking is always feeling in whole day. After declaring the result, you see you are not getting the 80% more, then you are feeling always, I am not getting score more than 80%. I am not getting the score more than 80%. What will I do? How my parents is thinking about me? How the elders thinking about me? How my friends, they are not liking me? This type of feelings. Yes or no, student? If you have the good self-management, so this type of situation will not be happen. Okay, student? So that's why I am telling you that if you have the good self-management, so these are all the positive. Yes or no? You must be a success man. You must be a good behavior person. You must be a mostly laborious. Must be good feelings, good thinking. These type all the factors must be positive. That's why I have discussed this one. Okay, students? In the last class, we will discuss some of the factors how to the good self-management. Okay, student? That's it. Thank you.